Hey guys, it's Cam and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome, and I would love it if you joined the Cam fam by hitting that little subscribe button down below. So something else that I want to start doing on my channel more often is just like a lot of different makeup looks using all the products that I have that I'm slowly accumulating. So if there's anything that you guys use really frequently, like an eyeshadow palette or a powder or something that you guys want a review on, let me know, and I'm planning on starting to incorporate a lot more like full face makeup looks on my channel. And again, my lighting looks very different. I'm still trying to figure this out. I'm not really happy with the new lights that I got. I feel like they're casting a lot of shadows without the soft boxes, but that's really how I have to use them right now because with the soft boxes, it was like no light. So I'm still trying to figure it out, but there's a lot of shipping delays because of everything going on right now. So it may take a little while. Speaking of which, I've been having like really bad anxiety every single day. And normally, like, I've had a couple panic attacks in the past before, but they were very rare and infrequent. And now, like, I feel like every single day, I feel like I'm shaking and sweating and having trouble breathing. And I know that's like a symptom of what's going on right now. So I'm trying not to like freak myself out. So I highly recommend L-theanine if any of you guys are feeling anxious about the current situation. It's really been helping me a lot. I've been taking it every single day, and it definitely makes like my shaking stop and me to be able to feel like I'm breathing normally again. You can get it like anywhere. You can get it at CVS or whatever. It's super natural, super mild, but it really does work and help. It's just a really scary time that we're going through right now. I'm in New York City, so I'm in like just it's a horror zone right here, and I'm dreading like even having to go to the grocery store to get anything, but it's impossible to get any food delivered right now. And yeah, so I've just been having really bad anxiety every single day, and I already hate living in New York and wanted to move out, and like now I just want that even more. So yeah, I hope that you guys are staying home and staying safe, and don't underestimate this, please. A really amazing and young teacher from my high school actually just passed the other day from this horrible virus. So I've been praying for his family, and it's just scary. He was really young. He was in his early 40s and was perfectly healthy, and it's just scary like what's going on right now. So yeah, I've been dealing with that a lot and wanting to film as much as I can, but especially because like I'm kind of in limbo with this lighting situation and really not happy with my video qualities. I generally haven't been doing that, even though most of us have a little extra time right now, and I really wanted to take advantage of that. But anyway, if you guys like this look that I put together for y'all, then keep watching to see the full tutorial. So first up, I'm going to be priming my face with the Touch in Sol No Problem, I always struggle with that one, Prime Essence. And then I'm just going to give that a minute to sink in. So I'm using my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation as my foundation today, and I'm in the color Light. So next I'm using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I have this in the shade Fair 4. And I'm just going to add a little bit of this under my eyes and to prime my eyelids. Then I'm just taking some of my Laura Mercier powder. I have a little travel size of it that I got as a sample from Sephora. And I'm going to use that to set under my eyes. also around my nose. I must say, this is my first time using this, and I'm really impressed. I actually didn't get what all the hype was about, and this is making me look very, very poreless, so I like it a lot. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to be using this Revolution Pro Skin Finish in Radiance. So I'm going to let my face set some more and jump into doing brows. I'm going to use my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This one's in the color Taupe. So now I'm going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer to warm up my skin and contour my nose. Alright, next I'm using my Anastasia Contour Kit, and I'm using this shade right here as my contour. For blush, I'm using my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush, and this is in the shade Diffuse Heat. So now I'm going to set everything with my Kopari Coconut Rose Toner. Then I'm using this pink shade from the Ofra All of the Lights highlighter, which is the shade Pillow Talk. And I'm using that after the setting spray because it just makes it so much more luminous, makes it cling to the skin better. Again, I feel like I'm struggling with my lights here because this lighting is absolutely not ideal. I'm gonna return it, and a big reason why I'm upset is because I feel like my highlighter just isn't really showing up. Okay, so now let's switch over to doing the eyes, and I'm gonna grab my Morphe 39S palette. This is the one that came out, I believe, last summer with all of the pretty pinks in it. It's so huge, I can't even fit it into the camera view. And the first shade I'm picking up is right here called Pink Prize. And I'm using my BH Cosmetics Studio No. 5 brush. And I'm going to start laying this down as my transition. And then I'm just going to take the color Purple Majesty, and I'm using my BH Cosmetics No. 6 brush for this, and I'm just going to start packing it a little bit in the outer corner, but this is going to be very, very blown out. And I'm just kind of keeping this in the outer half of the eye. And the way I'm applying it is with little circles, not so much like a sweeping motion in the crease. And I'm also dragging it out and up a little bit, but still in a very blown out, not very structured way. Then I'm also just going to sweep that color under the lower lash line as well. Alright, so once I have the shadows laid down, I'm taking my BH Cosmetics Eyelights, and this is in the color Psych. And I'm going to apply this first with the applicator and then spread it out with a brush. I found that this method works the best with these. They are a little bit finicky, so if you're picking these up, expect to put in a little bit of work to make them look good. But you basically want to kind of cake it on a little bit. Make sure you spread it up to where you want it, because it's very, very hard to spread out with a brush. And so now with the brush, I'm kind of pressing and dragging it to spread it out. And I'm kind of fading it on my lid by tapping. I think I'm gonna add a little more just in the inner corner. So I kind of put a glob right there, as you can see. And so now I'm just gonna keep my eye kind of closed for a little bit so that way it doesn't dry with a crease. Now I'm just going to use that same highlighter as my inner corner highlight. And for my brow bone. So to finish up the eye look, I'm just going to do some winged liner off camera and pop on some new lashes that I got. And these are the Lily lashes in the style Mykonos. So I've been playing around with these, and they're a little hard to put on, but I'm really glad that I picked these up for 50% off during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. So I'm gonna play around with them some more. And yeah, they have a really thick band, so they're definitely not like beginner friendly, I would say, but they're very voluminous. Alright, so I'm back with lashes on, and now I'm just gonna finish up with the lips. So I'm using my Kylie Cosmetics Coco K lip liner. And then I'm going to use my Gerard Cosmetics lip gloss, and this is in the color Shimmer of Hope, and I'm just going to use that to fill my lips in. Okay, so this is the completed look. Alright, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you did, then please hit that like button down below for me. And as always, I'm going to leave you guys with 2 more videos by me that you can check out. And then don't forget to click on my face to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, my loves, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.